Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to configure Wpforms in WordPress. Begin by installing Wpforms, then open the form builder and choose a template or blank form to start. Add fields like name, email, and message, set required options, and organize the layout with drag and drop. Save your draft and preview the form on a page to confirm appearance and basic functionality before proceeding to notifications. A friendly form encourages responses, so label fields clearly and use helpful placeholder text. Group related fields logically and use the layout tools to create columns or separate sections for clarity. If you need dynamic behavior, enable conditional logic to reveal fields only when relevant. Always test the layout on mobile and desktop to ensure fields don't break or overlap. Then adjust spacing and labels as needed for a smooth user experience. Configure notifications so you and your users get timely emails when a form is submitted, and use clear subjects like new contact form submission. Craft a friendly confirmation message or choose to redirect users to a thank you page that reinforces next steps. Test by submitting sample entries and checking spam folders. Adjust sender details if messages fail to deliver. Finally, integrate SMTP if needed to improve reliability and tracking for form submissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.